Evan's sitting at the front window in his little reading corner. You got your books? You reading your books? What are you reading about? Animals? Got a pretty good book? Ooh, ooh, ooh. You see monkeys? What do you see? He's got lots of books to read in his book corner. You done with that book? You put it back in? You gonna find another one? Oh, that one's got music. That's your Elmo book. Good job turning it the right way.